5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.
It's Thursday, the 27th of May, 2021. At 5, ride-hailing giant Uber has agreed to recognise a trade union for the first time in a landmark deal that should benefit gig economy workers. The GMB union will have power to represent 70,000 UK drivers in discussions over earnings, pensions, benefits and their health and well-being. At 4, the US and China's top trade negotiators have held candid, pragmatic talks in their first meeting under the Biden presidency. US Trade Representative Catherine Tai and Chinese Vice Premier Liu He held a virtual meeting yesterday. At 3, Amazon is set to acquire MGM for $8.45 billion in a huge merger that could usher in a new era of Hollywood. MGM has a vast catalogue with more than 4,000 films, including 12 Angry Men, Basic Instinct, Legally Blonde, Poltergeist, Raging Bull, RoboCop, Rocky, Silence of the Lambs and James Bond. At 2, islands such as the Canary Islands and Majorca may be placed on the UK green list for destinations for holidaymakers, a government minister said. The move may happen from the 7th of June, Transport Secretary Grant Shapps has said. And at 1, car giant Nissan is reportedly in advanced talks to build a huge electric car battery plant in the UK. The Financial Times said Nissan wants the UK to be its main electric hub outside Japan, and that the factory, which would be built on the existing Sunderland site, would produce 200,000 batteries a year and support thousands of jobs. For more details on any of these stories, visit voxmarkets.co.uk.
5 things you need to know today before the markets open with voxmarkets.co.uk.